Let's take a look at the device contact card. Each device is labeled in bold. It allows the SKU number, serial number, asset number. It's your top line information here. Then the collect method, whether it's automatic or manual. The date of the last collection, which was dated at 9:14 p.m. on 11/16. Your IP address, host name, asset status, whether it's operational or offline, and installation date. These are your hot links that will take you to other devices under contract on this site, in this building, or on this floor, and then any device that's under this AMP ID. Then we have these tabs below. Addresses, there can be 3 different types of addresses: the physical address of the location, which can also be the invoicing address, the service delivery address where your service tech will be sent, and then the consumable address where you'll be sending your supplies. These can all be the same address like you see pictured here, or this can be all separate addresses. For example, your service delivery, if you have a high security area that they need to go to, then be escorted to the physical location of the device. That could be 2 different addresses here. Going on into the next tab, it's the device details. This is pretty self-explanatory. It gives you grid, map, department ID, forecasted monthly pages, service level, fax number. All of these items here you can edit by selecting the edit card. And now I'm able to go in and edit these columns, or excuse me, these fields. I'm going to go ahead and select close without saving. I'm going to go ahead and expand the card one more time. So I'm in the exact same device. I've looked at the device details. I've looked at the addresses. I'm going to now look at the contacts. There are multiple contacts. The consumable contacts will get notified. This is the individual who will get notified if a consumable is sent to the address, or if there is a shipment. Service delivery, same. If there's a service that is required, a notification will be sent to this individual. Account manager within HP, the backup service delivery can be whoever you would like to add. And it's really easy to add an individual. You can just select the down arrow and then remove someone and have the ability to add someone at the same. So I'm going to go ahead and push that back. Replace someone. You'll just notice that it's always in blue, that it gives you the option to change. Backup account manager, order status, this is all the status of the orders, order exception, and then address verification. Notice this is an HP employee under order exception. This is our PSS. And then address verification, this is for our HP individuals as well, same as account manager. Going to change history, this is all of the changes that have occurred on this device. And so it's going to show you the date, what it changed from, what it changed to, and it's going to give you some details on the left here: host name, building name, and floor. If that's what changed here, it's the IP address. For example, here, collection method, service type. So it's giving you a detailed description, and you can also break that down in a report by using the start date and the end date of those changes. Moving into the next tab, we have consumable levels. So consumable levels is pretty self-explanatory. The colors on the, I'm expanding this field here, you can see that it's cyan toner cartridge, magenta toner cartridge, black toner cartridge, and yellow toner cartridge. All of those are sitting at their current consumable levels. And then down below are their threshold levels. So you can see there's 2 listed for cyan. One is the actual color, the other is in red, and its threshold level is set at 10%. So once this device hits 10%, an automatic order will be sent for another cyan consumable. And this can show you how often they're using it and what percentage and what dates they're getting to those consumables. Also, you can break it down into long life consumables or preventative maintenance. Right now we're in supplies. Moving into the next one is usage. This is also, it's pretty much, you're just showing which devices, so it's your toner, color, or your print mono. It's going to show you exactly how many were printed on those days. So you can see the number of pages that were printed, whether it was mono or color. And this looks all like mono on this account. Moving on to supplies orders, it should give me, so there weren't any supplies orders found here, but you can come in here and order supplies by selecting the link. and then selecting from no to yes, making sure that the contact information is accurate, and then the physical address, consumable address will be the same. And then you just select submit. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Moving on into service requests. Same thing, you're able to submit a service request and actually see your service requests that have been submitted here. Here we go. No service requests were found. So you can request service, select the type, put your title, add your description. It'll automatically add who's logging it, your email, and all the same information, just like ordering of supplies, it'll go right through the services address, the same person that's under your contacts here. And this is how you navigate the device card.